If you've ever clicked a Google Drive link and seen the message, "Sorry, you can't view or download this file at this time," don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step method to bypass that limit and access the file safely without wasting time guessing what to do next. This is especially useful when a file is shared in a restricted format, when the download option is blocked, or when Google Drive won't let you open the file normally. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the file link that's giving you the error. Even if Google Drive says you can't view or download it, don't close the page yet, because we're going to use a workaround from inside Drive. Once the file opens, look for the option that says Add Shortcut to Drive. Click that button to create a shortcut inside your own Google Drive account. This step is important because it gives you a way to work with the file from your drive instead of being stuck on the original blocked view. After adding the shortcut, go to your My Drive folder. You should now see the shortcut or the file entry there. From here, right-click the file. In the menu, select Make a Copy. This is the key step that bypasses the limit for many shared files, because once you have your own copy, you can usually open it normally and download it without the restriction message. Now open the copied file. Make sure you are opening the copy, not the original shared version, because the copied version is what gives you full control. Once the copy opens, click Download. At this point, you should be able to save the file to your device without seeing that frustrating warning anymore. So again, the full process is open the link, add the shortcut to Drive, go to My Drive, right-click the file, choose Make a Copy, open the copy, and then download it. If you tried that and you still don't see Make a Copy, there's another easy trick you can use. Click the three dots menu, then choose Open in New Window. Sometimes Google Drive hides or limits options in the preview view, and opening it in a new window can make the copy option appear again. After that, try Make a Copy once more, and then continue with the same steps. This method works well for a lot of Google Drive restriction issues, especially when the file is view-only or download blocked. Just remember, this is only for files you are allowed to access, and you should always respect the owner's sharing settings and permissions. But if you're simply trying to save a file you have legitimate access to, this is one of the fastest ways to get around the error and get the file into your own drive. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy Google Drive tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.